Good morning, students. Today I will discuss on the chapter Nouns Gender. First of all, we have to know what is gender. The gender is the quality of a person or a pronoun that classifies it into masculine, feminine, common, or neuter gender. You can see there is an example. That's a sentence. My brother Dusyant and Mrs. Adlaka's daughter Kanupriya are friends. They went to the same school. So, two sentences are there. Now, you can see that the word brother tells us that the person being spoken of is a man. Here, you can see that brother, daughter, friends, school. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four nouns are there. So, in this in the first sentence, the word brother tells us that the person being spoken of is a man. Okay, the word daughter tells us that the person being spoken of is a woman. Okay, daughter. Friends tells us that the person being spoken of can either be female or male. Okay, and the last one, school. The word school. The school tells us that the noun is an inanimate thing and is neither a female or a male. Or a male. So, so just by looking at these words, we know whether a person is a male or female. It is a class name that can refer to both male and female persons, or it is a non-living thing or living things. Okay, now I think you will come to know about the definition of gender if you go through this thing. A noun that denotes a male person or animal is said to be of the masculine gender. Example: man, boy, uncle, son, brother, king. A noun that denotes a female person or animal is said to be of the feminine gender. Next, a noun that denotes a thing without life, that is neither male or female, is said to be in the neuter gender. Car, chair. Okay, you can see that these nouns, car, chair, table, denotes a thing without life, and it is neither male nor female. So these nouns are called neuter. These nouns are is in neuter gender. Next, a noun that denotes either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. Example: students, child, friend. Okay, a noun. These nouns denote either a male or a female. Okay, so that's all about four kinds of genders. Now, what you have to know, we have to understand the formation of feminine nouns. How we can form feminine nouns from masculine. So first we can add ESS to the masculine form. Suppose masculine plus ESS, we can make feminine. Okay, so how? Now, if we come to the next page, it will be clear to us. Just have a look. This one: lion, lioness. Just we have added ESS. Priest, priestess. So that is the rule. Sometimes the spellings of words are changed before adding ESS. Okay, so you have to be careful about this thing. You can see the lion, lioness, but hunter, you can see that HUNTRESS. Okay, HUNT, you can see that not huntress, HUNTER, it's not there, it is huntress. Emperor, empress. Okay, so be very careful about this thing. Next, change the following from masculine gender to feminine gender. What you have to do, this is the exercise. You have to complete this exercise today. Tiger, it will be tigress, and the next is duke, waiter. What will be, you have to do. So where you will do, so you can do this exercise easily. You can do it in your please use your notebook for this thing. Okay, use your notebook. Tiger, tigress, duke, because this space is not enough, so use your notebook. I told you that for previous chapter I told you to do all the answers in your grammar book, but for this chapter A, I will tell you uh, for A, particularly for this exercise, I'm telling you that you have to write this answer, okay, in your notebook or notebook. Now come to the, so sometimes we can make masculine from masculine to feminine with, by using a completely different word. For the mother, horsemare, you have to learn this tag behind this word. Okay, give the feminine gender of these nouns. This is the another example. Give the feminine gender of these nouns. 50 nouns have been given. What you have to do, you have to write the feminine gender of these nouns. I will provide you the answer, but you have to use a notebook for writing these answers. Governor, governess, like this. Okay, princess, princess, whatever the answer will be, you have to do it. A and B you do in your grammar book. Okay. Next, by adding another word to the feminine noun to make a compound word. For example, suppose sometimes we can, if you want to make okay noun from masculine to feminine, we can do change it from masculine to feminine. What do we have to do? Sometimes we add another word. Suppose grandfather, okay, grandfather, okay, masculine. Grandfather, masculine, okay, grandmother, feminine. But grandfather we have changed to masculine. Sorry, grandfather is masculine, we have changed it with grandmother, feminine. If we come to the next page, it will be clear to you. Suppose water was a man, was a woman. Stepson, stepdaughter. He goat, she goat. Okay, he goat will be she goat. Okay. Landlord, landlady. Learn this rule. Next, C. This is exercise. This is today's exercise. Change the gender of the nouns in bold to their opposite gender and rewrite the sentences. What you have to do? Have a look. The Prime Minister received the Queen at the airport. Can you see? You can see that there is bold letter word. So you have to change this. Okay. And you have to rewrite the sentence. Of course, to write this answer, you have to use your notebook. What you have to do? First, you write this question. The Prime Minister received the Queen at the airport. Prime Minister. So what will be the answer? I'm telling you the first answer for you. The Prime Minister received the King. Just write King. The answer is done. Next, that woman is my uncle's aunt. So what will be the answer? You have to do it. You write it down. Just change this gender. The answer will be done. Clear? So do it ABC. So that's enough for today. Okay. So next day we'll discuss on the rest of the exercise. Okay, and the rest of the rules of this chapter. Thank you.